50 years after the Lotus Esprit debuted at the 1975 Paris Motor Show, the Encor Series 1 brings one of the most iconic British wedge-shaped supercars into the modern era through a full carbon fiber Restomod. The original Esprit S1, designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro, was revolutionary for its sharp geometry, lightweight construction, and mid-engine layout. Encor's approach is not a redesign, but a technical evolution preserving the identity of the Esprit. The Encor Series 1 retains the original Lotus Esprit V8 steel backbone chassis, intentionally kept to maintain authenticity and continuity of registration. The chassis is fully stripped, refinished, and paired with an all-new autoclaved carbon fiber bodyshell. This eliminates the original fiberglass mold seams, delivering higher torsional rigidity, reduced weight, and tighter surface precision while preserving the original proportions. Power comes from a rebuilt 3.5-liter twin-turbo V8, derived from the later Lotus Esprit V8 architecture. The engine is comprehensively re-engineered with forged pistons, upgraded fuel injectors, remanufactured turbochargers, a modern electronic throttle body, revised cooling, and a bespoke stainless steel exhaust system. Output is approximately 400 horsepower with 350 pound-feet of torque. With a target curb weight of under 1,200 kilograms, the Encor Series 1 delivers performance figures that align with modern supercars. 0 to 62 miles per hour in around 4 seconds and a top speed close to 175 miles per hour. The 5-speed manual transmission is re-engineered in collaboration with Quaife, featuring strengthened internals, revised gear ratios, a helical limited slip differential, and a bespoke twin-plate clutch. Steering remains hydraulically assisted, preserving the feedback of the Esprit S1. Suspension is upgraded to Sport 350 specification. Braking is handled by a P Racing. And modern tires are accommodated through subtle increases in track width. Inside, the cockpit remains unmistakably Esprit. The low seating position, wraparound dashboard, and driver-focused layout are retained, but every component is rebuilt. A billet-machined aluminum instrument cluster integrates a modern digital display, while discrete Skyship's developed electronics provide climate control, infotainment, and camera systems without overwhelming the analog experience. Limited to just 50 individually commissioned cars, the Encor Series 1 is not a conventional Restomod. It is a continuation of the Lotus Esprit philosophy, using modern materials and engineering,